Hello friends, welcome to Kirti's Kitchen channel. నేను ఇవాళ చికెన్ బిర్యానీ చేశాను. అది వితౌట్ కొరియాండర్ లీవ్స్ అండ్ వితౌట్ మింట్ లీవ్స్ చేశాను. ట్రై చేశాను రెస్టారెంట్ స్టైల్లో. మీరు కూడా ట్రై చేయండి, చాలా బాగా వచ్చింది. ఓన్లీ కస్తూరి మేతి ఒక్కటి వేస్ట్ చేశాను, మసాలాలు అవి ఎక్కువ వేయకుండా. నేను కారం కూడా తక్కువ వేసాను, మీరు కావాలంటే కొంచెం 1 స్పూన్ కారం యాడ్ చేసుకోండి. చాలా బాగా వచ్చింది టేస్ట్. కుక్కర్లో పెట్టి చేశాను దమ్ చికెన్ బిర్యానీ. నేను ఎలా చేశాను అలా ఫాలో అవ్వండి, బాగా వచ్చింది. మీరు నచ్చితే కనుక అదే కామెంట్ చేయండి. ఇఫ్ యూ లైక్ ప్లీజ్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ అండ్ షేర్. కామెంట్స్లో కూడా రాయండి ఎలా వచ్చిందో, మీకు కూడా ఎంజాయ్ చేశారో లేదో ఫుడ్. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen. Now today we are making chicken biryani, Hyderabadi chicken biryani. So you will need basmati rice. I have taken 3 glasses of basmati rice with this glass. See, I am cooking the rice in cooker only. This is 2 glasses of rice and this is 1 glasses of rice with this glass. Okay, the spices you required is the whole biryani spices: cinnamon, cloves, shajira, and this flower and ilaichi, and this all whole garam masala you required for biryani preparation. So we are taking 900 grams of chicken. And 3 glasses of this basmati rice. So first we will marinate our chicken. We require this spices and masalas we need. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons of salt. 2 tablespoons of
2 spoons, this much.
Yeah.
Not tablespoon.
Yeah. 2 spoons of mirchi powder.
Ye lal mirchi.
Kashmiri lal mirchi. This will give you color also.
This one.
So 3 spoons you have to add mirchi powder. If you are adding only this, add 2 spoons, 2.5.
This spoon only.
Okay.
Not tablespoons.
Spoons are
Spoon కాదు.
Okay, we are adding this all biryani masalas which I showed you. That cinnamon, cardamom, and cloves, biryani leaves,
Some
chicken masala.
around 1 spoon, 1 tablespoon.
Coriander powder.
This also 1 spoon. ఇది చూపించు. జీరా పౌడర్ లిటిల్.
Okay.
And
This is kasuri methi.
I am not adding any mint leaves and coriander leaves. Only I am adding kasuri methi, dry kasuri methi, like this. Just you crush and add it around this much. And ginger garlic paste, 2 spoons. Then lemon,
Squeeze 2 lemons.
2 lemons. Add 4 spoons I added. Huh?
Mm.
Then I will mix all this. Little oil. Little.
So you have to heat some oil and pour in it. Before you add oil, mix all the ingredients which we added.
Marinate for తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు చేద్దాం. చూడు.
We added 1 spoon of oil before mixing it. Now we are adding 1 spoon of oil which is heated. See, we have to add heat oil.
Just like
We have to pour on it.
half an hour.
Half an hour you have to keep for the marination.
Like this.
Like this. Okay. Half an hour you have to marinate your chicken. With this glass we have taken 3 glasses of basmati rice. In this 2 glasses, in this 1 glass. Okay.
For 1 glass. చెప్పు water.
1 glass of water.
2 glasses. For 1 glass, 1 glass. Clear గా చెప్పు. Cooker
I am putting rice in this cooker. So for 1 glass of rice we are adding 1 glass of water only. See, here the 1 glass I added 1 glass of water. Now we add the all spices in this. We have to add the spices. All which I have put in. Char, jeera, cloves, cardamom, cinnamon stick, all you have to add. Put some green chilies according to your taste, but 1 glass of rice, 1 chili is enough.
Salt.
1 glass, 1 spoon. So here and 2.
Little less.
Enough. Add some oil. Once mix well. So this is the easy method to cook rice. Cooking in cooker na.
Okay.
We have placed it in cooker. After 10 minutes only you switch on the flame. Okay?
2 whistles.
2 whistles.
Oil on.
Put some oil in pan.
Cooker.
In a cooker to make a chicken curry we need that. On the other side we have our rice is also done in cooker. See, wow, the rice is perfectly cooked. Put some jeera. Put that all spices, whole garam masala, and add onions. Fry this onions till it is brown color. Add 3 onions and 3 green chilies. Fry them like this till it is brown.
I will put some ghee.
Add some ghee now.
2 spoons.
2 spoons ghee. Approximately.
2 spoons only.
Yeah, correct 2 spoons ghee you add.
Enough.
Enough.
Already we added ginger garlic in that chicken marinade. Here I am putting 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste. Then I will add some cashews. Some cashews. Enough. Adding cashews will be, biryani will be, rich look will become. Just you little fry more. Then add already marinated the chicken, half an hour. You add this to that. You put all chicken in that. Just you don't put water. Just mix well. I am preparing chicken biryani in cooker. After that I will put dum also. Just you mix well and put the lid. Medium flame only. Don't put whistle. Cook for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, I have put simmer. Then I will see the chicken. See how much water came. Just you mix one more time. Just you mix like this. Now medium flame only. Water is there, no need to add water. See, water, you got water there. Curd, we added curd now, that's why. No need to add water, anything. Just you put the lid to medium flame and put whistle. 2 whistles. Chicken has to cook. That's why I put whistle. 2 whistles has to come. Put this powder only 2 spoons only. This cashews and the badam. I will make this powder and I will put this 1 spoon powder I will put in chicken biryani.
Two whistles came. Now turn off the flame.
Cashews and badam powder. I will put this only 2 spoons in chicken biryani afterwards. Colorful biryani. I am adding this food color, orange food color in milk. I will put this afterwards. See, my chicken curry is ready. See how it is. Now I will put dum. Just you one mix with you. Oil oozes. Now I will put in dum. First I will put high flame and I will put tawa. Then I will put my chicken. some little cashews and kaju podi, half a teaspoon, enough, just for taste. Then you mix. This is ready, curry is ready. Then I will put rice. Now I put high only 5 minutes. I will put high. Then afterwards I will put. Now I will add this rice to that. You put sim only. Tawa heated. Now I am adding all this rice to this. I am adding this rice. If you don't have this much big cooker, you can put in small cooker also there, no? You can cook. You have to cook rice. That's it. Separately. Put all rice in this. Here you add ghee, 2 spoons. Enough. Then already I added this milk and the food color, just for color only I am adding this. Now I am putting lid, gasket only. Then put medium flame for 10 minutes. 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, see, steam is coming like this. Then you put sim. Then open and see it is done or not. Oil must be, see, over, completed and biryani. Now I will turn off the biryani is ready. Now I will serve. Style biryani is ready. Biryani is ready. रेस्टोरेंट की तरह आता है ये बिरयानी. थोड़ा तो मेहनत करना पड़ता है बिरयानी खाने के लिए. See how it is, very nice, no? You can serve like this with masala and white rice. Like this. Enjoy with biryani with mirch ka salad. I prepared mirch ka salad also. See, if you like, please subscribe and share.